Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Students, today we are going to do one activity. Our activity is curly hair. Our activity is curly hair. ये क्या है? Curly hair. Okay. Now look at here. What is this thing? Do you know? No. Now I will tell you. This is bottle cap. This is bottle cap. आपकी बॉटल में जो ढक्कन लगा हुआ रहता है ना, उसी को. ओके. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू वन एक्टिविटी विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर कलर एंड बॉटल कैप. सो एंजॉय योर एक्टिविटी. स्टूडेंट, दिस इज योर आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट बुक. ओपन चैप्टर नंबर 27. Open chapter number 27. Curly hair. Curly hair. For this activity, we need watercolor, white watercolor. Okay, white color we will use, and bottle cap. Okay, so let's start our activity.
Jumpy cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Jumpy cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes.
Our activity is complete. So do the practice at your home. Bye bye. Take care.